This is the making of the poor man's nitric acid. That you're looking at is our inquarted gold, in which you mix your gold with silver or copper to get it down to 6 carat. Well, that's another video. But we're fixing to make poor man's nitric acid, and we're going to dissolve all the base metals out of that 6 carat gold, only leaving the gold. And then we'll take it through aqua regia and that process to get it to 24 karat gold. All right, we have 1,000 ml of tap water for our poor man's nitric, and she's fixing to pour up 50 ml of sulfuric acid. In this case, we're using liquid fire, and it does just as good a job. You get it from the local hardware. And now pour it very slowly, because it does make a heat reaction here, but no big deal. You're just going to pour it slow and let the sulfuric acid mix with the water. And she's pouring 50 ml. Once she gets that done, it's on the heat, medium heat, about 150, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. She'll add, once it heats up just a little, she'll go ahead and add about 25 ml of sodium nitrate. And then once it heats up, she'll add another 25 ml of sodium nitrate. So we have 1,000 ml water, 50 sodium nitrate, 50 sulfuric acid. And there will be no reaction till this stuff heats up. Then you'll begin to see the reaction. And that's 12.2 grams of inquarted gold. And we used sterling silver. You can download an inquartation app that tells you how much to use according to how many grams you got. Now that's putting off heat right now, and we've got the heat on, and she's going to add here in just a few minutes. We're going to let it heat up a hair, and we're going to add 25 ml of sodium nitrate. We'll be back when it's heated up a little. Okay, we've heated up a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and add the first 25 ml of sodium nitrate. We're going to do about half of it right now, and it'll dissolve. Once this comes up to temperature, we'll add the rest of it, and and that's it. We'll put a watch plate on it. It'll take about 3 hours for this to dissolve the base metals out of, I think we have 12.4 grams of gold that we inquarted with silver in there. And there she'll sit. We'll come back out in about an hour. Well, it's been about an hour and a half, and this thing's slow heating up. She's added a total of 50 ml sodium nitrate, and as you can see, it's started changing the colors as it's eating the silver out of the and whatever was in the gold out of the material we inquarted. And so that's enough nitrate, and it's just a waiting game now. It's probably take another 2 or 3 hours. We'll be back when it gets up to temperature, and you'll see the nitric cloud in the beaker. This is our inquarted gold after it got out of the poor man's nitric solution. We did it twice, and she's been cleaned off. No silver nitrate is clinging to this. That's about 400 ml in a 2,000 ml beaker of hydrochloric acid. Once it gets to temperature about 150 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, we will add our sodium nitrate. So we're going to add about 15 ml of sodium nitrate, and that'll make our aqua regia, maybe about 30 ml. We have pretty much immediate reaction when we added the nitrate. It may take a couple hours, I don't know, an hour, hour and a half, but all that gold will be dissolved. About 45 minutes to an hour later, no reaction, gold is gone. It is in solution, and we'll drop it here in just a little bit. All right, she's going to drop our gold right here. That was 1 plastic teaspoon of SMB. She's going to put just a hair more and see if it has a reaction. It'll change colors immediately. She's fixing to stir it up and let it set. And we'll keep our eye on that. That gold should drop to the bottom here within the next, I don't know, hour. That should get cleared up, and we'll get back with you just as soon as she drops on out. This is the next day. You can see our gold has dropped. On the bottom. And our stannous test shows hair bits still in solution, so we're gonna look into that. But right now we're gonna go ahead and clean this gold sludge up down here, and we're gonna burn it in the filter. We should have at least 5 to 7 grams come out of this. Okay, we have decanted the acid off of and here's our gold sludge, or inquarted gold. Remember, we started with 12.4 grams of 14 karat. In here, we want to wash 3 times hot water. good. We're going to give it a little borax. And there's our gold. Beautiful. That's hot. Get cooled. Yeah, we're good. And there's our, that's 24 karat gold. I hope I've got it in front of the camera here. My helper left me for a minute. All right, there's our piece of gold. And she's fixing to put it on the scale. Can't really see it, but what does that say?
6.7.
6.7 grams. We got out of 12.4 grams of 14 karat gold, inquarted, with 17 grams of silver. And we will do another video because we're getting that silver back, and we'll show you how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Trying to get my 1,000 subscribers.